Hello, I am the Train Boy. Welcome back. This is a Stepford County Railway video on Roblox. It's a free game and I want to give you a mini tutorial in it. So the first thing you have to do is obviously press play here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It will take about 30 seconds to load. Probably less, yeah. It's already done. Gonna turn off that bit by pressing tab. Just for this video. And after you skip there, the reason I have more XP than I did when I showed you just before in the introduction video, I showed you a mini clip, is because I just filmed something, but there was a bit of background noise and it just didn't work. So hopefully this time it's better. So you go into training, and you can, settings, and you can change things, audio. So I can make louder and non-existent. And you can change the music. That's the one that comes with it, but I changed it to that. Change gameplay. Credits is just that, so a bit basic. Training. So I've joined the group. Just go on to groups and search up Stepford County Railway. Come straight up, same as the game does in Roblox. Earn 60 experience. I'm 4 out of 60, so then I can do stage 2, which is a quiz, and stage 3, which is a practical training. And I'll do more about the training stuff in a future video when I do actually do a training. I'll do a training myself for everyone to see. So today we're going to drive connect, because that's all we have, those two routes. That's what you start with, and you have to earn points, buy things and stuff. So I think we'll do Airport Central. Seems like quite a nice route. Should we just do, I'm just thinking about, should we just do 2 stations? Yeah, okay. Could come back a station or 2 as well. So you spawn here, and you just need to make sure that no one's going to overtake your signal at some signals, otherwise you get a red light and you spad, and in training you would fail that. So you've just got to be aware of your surroundings. We're going this way, yeah. Now about here, you've got to press Q to do AWS, and I'll just look out my thing so I can just see over there, and there's no trains coming, so that's good. And that's a horn. You can press H, and then for camera you can press C as well. That's for a guard. There's no shortcut for that. That's a signal bell when you have a guard. You just do T. Opening doors, I'll show you that in a sec. You can also do T for that. This is D, I think. Yeah, D, to show you your scheduled stops. And then map is M, or that button there, and that's desk lamp, which I've never known what to do with that. There's guides about how to drive the trains. For example, you should always enter a station going 25 to 45 is one of the rules. Loads more rules, just follow them and you should be good to go.
This is Financial Quarter. This train is for Stepford Victoria. The next station is Stepford Victoria.
Problem with those announcements is I can't speak over that, because that's what happened in my last video, and I couldn't use it because it's too loud. You get 5 points for every station, and 10 if you have a guard, and at the end station you get 10, but if you have a guard you get 15.
Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. The next station is Stepford Victoria.
They've also added random events, random disasters, which like reduces your speed limit in some places, but there'll be like yellow posters, and that was just in version 1.9. that they added that. I've had a couple of them, and they're
We will shortly be
basically
arriving
10 over a bridge or
Stepford
something like that.
Victoria. Change here for services to Beachley and Willowfield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.
So yeah, that is kind of my very brief introduction to Stepford County Railway. I hope you enjoyed. Probably won't end the video here. Might have to. I'll go back, maybe do a different section of track. Yeah. And we stop there. And you open your doors.
This is Stepford Victoria. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
Something I really like about this game is how it's got this stuff, and it's really detailed in some places. I'm going to exit to main menu. Got 2 XP. I'm now 1/10 of the way there. Takes you back to here. And if you go into here, or drive the Leighton City route, we'll just do a couple of stops, just so I can get you a different perspective. 2 stops, just to fill up the video and see you this part of the track. I won't talk, I'll just let you have a look, because I think you should get this game free. It's free, so you should get this game. And I'll just let you look and see what you think of it.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Leighton Stepford Road. This train is for Leighton City. The next station is Leighton City.
Right, so what? So about that.
Welcome on board the Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. The next station is Leighton City.
So I hope you got to see
We will shortly be
this game's
arriving
so
at Leighton City. Change here for services to Edgemead, Leighton West, Lynn by the Sea, and West Wyvern. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.
That's what I mean. I really like that. It's got detail, and at the other station, Leighton City, you saw Leighton Stepford Road. So you saw it had loads of things on it. There's off indicators, which are really cool.
Leighton City.
I'll just load it going back so you can actually see
Thank you for travelling with us today.
in better detail.
The train now standing at platform
press
3
Q
is
quickly.
the 0843 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Leighton Stepford Road,
That's what I mean.
Rocket Parade, Water Newton, Upper Staplow, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowden, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, City
And before that,
Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Anyway, I hope this gave you great insight into Stepford County Railway, and you'll think about getting Roblox and playing on it. That's all from me today. Goodbye.